Upgrading Ansible Tower can feel like updating your phone. Exciting, but a bit nerve-wracking. A good upgrade ensures security, efficiency, and compatibility. In this guide, we break it down step by step to make the process as painless as possible. No tech nightmares here, just clear instructions with a touch of humor. Let's get started and make sure your upgrade is a success. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Step 1. Know where you stand. Think of it as checking your GPS before a road trip. Knowing your current location helps you get where you're going smoothly. Verify your Ansible Tower version, look for any pending updates, and document your settings so you don't end up losing anything important later. Trust me, future you will thank you. Before installing anything, check the requirements. It's like making sure your house has enough space before buying new furniture. The last thing you want is running out of disk space mid-upgrade, or missing a crucial dependency. A quick check now saves hours of frustration later. Backups are like parachutes. If something goes wrong, they save you. Before making any changes, get a solid backup of your system. Store it somewhere safe, double-check its integrity, and have a rollback plan. That way, if anything goes sideways, you can restore your data without breaking a sweat. Alright folks, database migration isn't just clicking buttons. It's making sure our precious data survives the journey. First, always back up, because no one enjoys a "where did my data go" moment. Then check compatibility. Think of it like making sure your old charger works with a new phone. Once migration is complete, test thoroughly. Because in tech, surprises are rarely fun. Upgrading a PostgreSQL server manually means rolling up your sleeves. First, know your current setup like the back of your hand. Then, download and install the latest version, because old software is like expired milk. Next, fine-tune configurations for peak performance. And finally, ensure everything connects smoothly, because an upgrade that breaks everything is, well, not an upgrade. You wouldn't drive a car after an engine overhaul without a test drive, right? Same principle here. First, make sure all services are up and running. Then, check that the database connection is solid. Think of it as making sure your Wi-Fi doesn't drop. Run test jobs to see if the core functions work smoothly. And finally, ensure users can actually log in, because locked-out admins are never happy. Release notes, the roadmap to understanding what's changed. First, dig into new features. You might find a pleasant surprise. Then, check what's been deprecated, because using outdated functions is like sending a fax in 2025. Update your configurations accordingly. And finally, assess the impact on workflows to avoid any post-upgrade headaches. Time to put those playbooks to the test. Start with critical automation jobs, because no one likes surprises during production. Check execution results. Did everything run smoothly, or did the automation script take a coffee break? Troubleshoot any errors and fine-tune for efficiency. And finally, validate integration with external systems, because an upgrade shouldn't turn into an isolation experiment. Think of this step as keeping an eye on a newly tuned-up car. Track resource usage, because maxing out memory isn't a fun surprise. Analyze logs like a detective looking for clues. Optimize configurations based on findings to keep things smooth. And finally, ensure stability, because a well-performing system is a happy system. Even with the best planning, hiccups happen. First, document issues like a pro. No vague "something broke" notes. Search for known resolutions, because someone else probably had the same problem. Reach out to Red Hat support if needed. They've seen it all. And finally, apply the fixes wisely, because solving one issue shouldn't create 5 new ones. Congratulations! A successful Ansible Tower upgrade is like pulling off a flawless magic trick, minus the disappearing data. Verify everything runs smoothly, test functionalities like an overachiever, optimize configurations for maximum efficiency, and always keep an eye on future upgrades, because technology waits for no one. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.